Hey family, welcome back to my channel. So make this invisible button placket with me. Okay, from the center front I had an additional 4-inch fabric, 4-inch, which I divided into two parts, 2 each separately, folded on the wrong side. Okay, so this is the face of the fabric. I mean the right side of the fabric, guys. Okay, so folding the first 2-inch on the second one, I run a straight stitch at the middle. So guys, after running the stitch on the 2 inches folded on each other, okay, I folded again into two. Okay, fold into two, then I press iron. I hope you're watching closely, guys. It's so easy. So guys, after press ironing, I took my hemming gum and I put it under the entire fold. Okay, that is my 4 inches fabric now. Okay, just to make sure that the placket sticks to the main fabric. Watch closely, guys. So guys, our invisible button placket is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Support your girl, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.